Hey Rocky, this is Larry Powell, Circle P Marketing. I just wanted to get this quick screencast over to you. I'm going to give you guys a quick website audit, kind of go over what I see with your website. We'll look at some high volume keywords that I think could generate a lot of traffic for you guys and a lot of new customers. We'll look at what the competition is for those and how you guys can pass them up. And then we'll go from there. So looking at your guys' website, it is definitely a little bit basic. If you guys were to develop this out a little bit, I think that would definitely help you guys with your conversions. When people are doing, website searches for, these different keywords that we're going to go over, this is really that first impression that they have of your business. And I'm sure you do great work looking at the pictures. It looks like you guys do awesome work. So having a good website that kind of represents that, I think would really help you guys out. With these websites, there's definitely probably the potential for you to build this out on your existing platform and your existing website. One thing you do really want to focus on when you're building out these websites is the amount of content you have. So there was a recent study done by Google where they looked at over 1 million different websites, looking at all the top ranked sites across multiple niches. And what they found from this study is that the top ranked sites all had at least 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on that homepage. So really developing out this homepage where you're getting a lot of content on here, I think would be fantastic for you guys. Another recommendation I have is you have your contact form here, but putting this contact form on this homepage is also a really great option just because as people are going to your website, they're looking for the easiest site to get a hold of. So making that really pain-free and easy for them to get a hold of you guys with that contact form on this homepage, I think it would really help with your guys' conversions once people got to your website. Then the last recommendation I have is you have your phone number on here in a couple places. Making these phone numbers click to call and a little bit bigger so that people can really see those. But that click to call function is really important, which is oftentimes is people are doing searches from their cell phones these days. For them to be able to just click on your phone number and connect right to your guys' business, that could be huge for you guys as well. So we're going to go over to this tool I use called Ahrefs. And this tool allows me to see a lot of different stuff. What we're looking at here is Fence Company Charlotte, NC, or North Carolina. We're currently getting 300 searches per month for that keyword. Being in the top spot for this in Google, you can usually figure to be getting about 33% of that search volume. So you're about 100 searches per month that could be going to your website if you were ranked in the top spot for this. I did find you guys under Fence Company Charlotte. I know it doesn't seem like much of a difference, but Fence Company Charlotte, you guys are sitting at 73rd. There's only 20 searches per month for this keyword. But if you look at Fence Company Charlotte, North Carolina, or NC, I actually couldn't find you guys ranked at all in the top 100. So for you guys to move into this first page, I definitely think you'd see a lot of traffic from that headed to your guys' business. So there's a couple of different things we look at here in Google. The first one is the map pack or the 3-pack GMB. There's a lot of different names for it. So having your business in this is very valuable. Just because, again, it's oftentimes as people are doing mobile searches, for them to be able to click on these phone numbers from their cell phones and contact you guys, it's huge for your business because people are looking for the path of least resistance or whatever's easiest for them, oftentimes for who they're going to be having come out and do work for them. So having your guys' business in this would definitely be a huge asset for you guys. There's a couple different factors for how you can get your business into this. One is your organic rankings, or where your business sits in this. Another one is called citations, which is your business name, address, and phone number. So the more citation sources you have out on the web, the more likely you are to have your business in this. An example of where you could get a citation at would be like Yelp, Yellow Book, so these directory websites that you can list your business name, address, and phone number in. That's a citation that'll really help you guys out with getting your business into this. The last one is actually looking at your GMB itself. So you guys do have a GMB, but it doesn't look like you guys actually have I don't think you guys have actually claimed this just because it's saying suggest an editor on this business. So claiming this GMB and really developing this out to where you have your business description on here that has some of these high search volume keywords to where when people are searching for a Fence Company Charlotte, North Carolina, you guys are popping up. That's going to really help you guys get into that map pack, which will generate a lot of traffic coming to your guys' website. So coming back over here, this is the organic rankings. So to get your business into here, One of a big one is that content. So having your content where you're including those keywords in there that people are searching for, that tells Google that that's what you guys want people to search you for or find you for. So having that content really optimized is one way you can get in here. The next one, we'll head back over to Ahrefs, and this is actually, it allows me to see the back end of websites, so kind of what's going on behind the scenes. Looking at your guys' website, what I'm looking for here is backlinks and referring domains. So the best way to describe a backlink is it's kind of like a high school popularity contest. And you have the most popular kid in school, or site A, is linking himself to the least popular kid in school, or site B. And by linking himself to that least popular site, in turn, some of that popularity comes to that least popular kid and brings up the popularity of that least popular site. So it's kind of like you're giving votes to your website for Google to say, hey, look at me. You need to move me up in the rankings because other websites say that I'm popular and I deserve to be in those top spots. So the more backlink sources you have, the more likely you are to be moving up into in those top ranked spots. So currently you guys don't have any backlinks or referring domains. So definitely focusing on that side of it, I think would really help you guys in the rankings. This isn't an overly difficult keyword to rank for. I think you guys could be into that top spot with anywhere between 4 to 6 months, maybe sooner. But you definitely have some work to do in order to get into that top spot. Looking at your competition, Allison Fence is the top ranked in the GMB. So we're going to be looking at their website here. So looking at Allison Fence, they have quite a bit of content on here, still not all that much. They're still definitely short of that 1,500 to 2,000 words. So I'm confident that if you guys were to get to that, you definitely have that leg up on them. Looking at the back end of their website, the metrics, they do have some metrics behind it. So they have 370 backlinks from 87 referring domains, with 62 of those being do follow. That do follow is important just because that do follow means you're getting that backlink juice or that popularity. You're getting a lot more of that to your site with these do follow domains. They have a lot more weight behind them. So if you guys were to get, a good start on your do follow domains and your backlinks, you make sure they're relevant to the fencing industry or like home improvement. Getting a backlink to a website that sells, like women's clothing or something like that, that's not going to really do you guys any good. But getting relevant backlinks combined with that content, I think would really help you guys out with the rankings, and I think you'd see a lot of improvement and new customers headed towards your website. If you have any questions on this, feel free to reach out. Love to talk to you more. Thank you.